In today's video, I'm showing you how to cut up a whole chicken step by step. If you want to save some money, this is a skill worth learning. At first, medyo intimidating siya, but it's actually simple once you know the basics. This is a great kitchen skill to learn, so let's jump right in. So first off, I'm starting with the legs. Okay, so ang ginagawa ko dito using a boning knife, ay ipupull away lang natin yung leg from the body. Katulad ng nakikita nyo dito. Kasi hinahanap natin na ma-expose yung joint. Once makita na natin yung joint, yan yung line, kumbaga. Na-pop na yung joint, slice through it. Katulad ng nakikita nyo dito. Again, you can use boning knife or any sharp knife. Importante talaga na sharp yung knife na gagamitin nyo. Alright? Then next ay isa-separate natin yung thigh from the drumstick. Dito, ang guideline nyo ay meron ditong line of fat. Yan. So, slice nyo lang. Kumbaga, yun na nga, pag nakakita nyo yung line of fat dito, yan yung guide nyo na i-slice through it. Napakadali lang. You see? Yan. Very simple, very easy. So, next up ay yung wings. So, wings naman, ipupull out lang natin or pwede kayong gumamit ng knife. Hanapin nyo yung joint. Ipapop nyo yung joint na yan, katulad ng nakikita nyo dito. At kapag napop na yan, then slice through it, katulad ng nakikita nyo dito. Medyo nag-struggle lang tayo sa video kasi ano lang tayo, mag-isa lang na mag-film, ganon. So, yan. See? Madali lang. Same thing ang gagawin nyo doon sa other side ng wings. See, pinupull ko lang and then pag nahanap na pop na yung joint, is-slice lang natin katulad ng nakakita nyo dito. Napaka-simple. Very, important talaga na sharp yung knife. Otherwise, mag-struggle ka kung hindi. So far, two kitchen tools yung ginamit ko. So, ang natira dito ay yung chicken breast at yung backbone. So, meron ding line of fat dito sa backbone, between backbone and the chicken breast. So, ang ginamit ko dito ay kitchen shears, katulad ng nakikita nyo. I cut through it. Yung fats na yan, yung nakikita nyo. Yep. That's it. And then, I just continue na i-cut. Yan. Mahahanap nyo kasi yun na nga yung mga joints, line of fat, yun yung guideline nyo kung saan kayo mag-cut. Katulad, medyo nag-struggle pa rin tayo dito kasi first time ko and finifilm ko na siya agad. See? Napaka-simple lang. So, ang natira ay yung bone-in na chicken breast. Hindi ko na siya dinibone kasi gusto ko yung bone-in. So, ang gagawin natin dito ay ikakat ko ba to? Yes, ikakat natin ng konti. Yep. And then, ika-crack natin katulad ng nakakita nyo dito. The next step ay hihiwain natin in the middle. Katulad ng nakakita nyo, napaka-simple lang. Medyo may bone, pero it's easy. And that's it. You see? Very simple. So, yung backbone ay gold yan. Pwede tayong gumamit dito pwede tayong gumawa ng homemade stock. So, keep that. It's called the carcass. Arte kung maka-carcass. Backbone lang naman yan sa atin. And that's it, guys. Napakadali lang. Now you have all cuts ng chicken. Okay? Ito yung isa sa mga old school kitchen skills na dapat alam natin. It saves money at mas less yung waste, and honestly, it's not really hard once you do it a couple of times. Napakadali lang nito at talagang worth it na malaman natin itong isa sa mga old school na kitchen skills. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, you guys take care.